The incredible benefits of chia seeds at night. Did you know that while you sleep, your body enters a powerful phase of repair and regeneration? Every cell works silently, healing, balancing hormones, and cleaning out toxins. Now imagine that a tiny, natural superfood, often ignored in our kitchens, could enhance all of that, even while you rest. That food is chia seeds. Today, you'll learn what happens inside your body when you eat chia before bed, how it supports your health, and the right way to prepare it for maximum benefits. Stay until the end, because I'll also share the best nighttime chia recipe to supercharge your results. 1. Promotes deeper, restful sleep. Chia seeds can naturally help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain produce melatonin and serotonin, the hormones responsible for regulating your mood and sleep cycle. Magnesium in chia also relaxes your muscles and nervous system, easing anxiety and tension. So, if you often go to bed feeling restless, a spoonful of chia pudding before sleep can be a game changer. You'll wake up feeling calmer, lighter, and more refreshed. 2. Supports weight loss and metabolism. If you're trying to manage your weight, chia is a nighttime secret weapon. It's packed with fiber that swells in your stomach, keeping you full and preventing late-night cravings. A recent study in 2024 found that participants who ate chia every day saw a significant reduction in belly fat and overall body weight. That's because chia slows down digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports fat burning, all while you sleep. You don't need much. Just 1 tablespoon mixed with water or yogurt before bed is enough to help your metabolism work overnight. 3. Balances blood sugar levels. If you often wake up tired or dizzy, it might be due to fluctuating blood sugar levels. Chia helps control that by forming a gel that slows how your body absorbs carbohydrates. This means no sugar spikes, no crashes, and no sudden hunger pangs during the night. Its omega-3 fatty acids also improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use energy more efficiently. Perfect for those watching their sugar intake or managing prediabetes. 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Chia is a friend to your gut. Its soluble fiber acts like a broom, cleaning the intestines and promoting regular bowel movements. Taken at night, it works gently while you sleep, so you wake up with better digestion and less bloating. It also feeds good gut bacteria, which improves nutrient absorption and strengthens your immune system. If you often feel heavy or constipated in the morning, try a small glass of chia water before bed. It really makes a difference. 5. Protects the heart. Chia is one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce cholesterol, triglycerides, and inflammation. These healthy fats make your arteries more flexible and improve blood circulation. Several studies have shown that regular chia consumption can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Adding chia before bed supports your heart while your body recovers overnight, a simple yet powerful habit. 6. Keeps you hydrated overnight. Because chia absorbs up to 12 times its weight in water, it forms a natural gel that slowly releases moisture into your system. This keeps you hydrated through the night and supports healthy skin and muscles. It's also rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, helping balance fluids and prevent cramps or dehydration during sleep. Perfect for people who wake up thirsty or with dry mouth. 7. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. If you suffer from joint stiffness or morning aches, chia's anti-inflammatory properties can help. Its omega-3s and antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing swelling and pain. Many people who take chia regularly report waking up with less discomfort and more mobility, especially when paired with a balanced diet. It's a small step toward long-term joint and muscle health. 8. Strengthens bones and teeth. Chia is a natural source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals that keep bones strong. Ounce for ounce, chia actually contains more calcium than most dairy products. Taking it at night ensures that your body absorbs these nutrients during its natural repair phase when bones regenerate most actively. It's especially beneficial for older adults and women over 40 who want to maintain bone density. 9. Detoxifies the body. Throughout the day, your body absorbs toxins from food, pollution, and stress. The fiber in chia helps bind and remove those toxins from your digestive system. While you sleep, your liver and kidneys work to filter waste, and chia supports this process by improving digestion and elimination. It's like giving your body a gentle overnight cleanse, so you wake up feeling lighter and more energized. 10. Prevents acid reflux and indigestion. If you've ever gone to bed with heartburn or reflux, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Chia's mucilage, that natural gel-like texture, coats your stomach lining, reducing irritation and acidity. It helps food move smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing acid buildup. A small chia drink after dinner can make your night's sleep much more peaceful. 11. Boosts the immune system. Your body repairs itself and strengthens defenses while you sleep. That's why chia before bed can give your immune system an extra edge. It's packed with zinc, antioxidants, and magnesium, which fight inflammation and support cell regeneration. Taking chia regularly can help your body resist colds, infections, and chronic fatigue. Think of it as a natural nightly shield for your immune health. 12. Enhances energy, mood, and libido. Chia isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your mood and energy. Its zinc and magnesium support hormone balance and blood flow, while omega-3s nourish your brain. People who eat chia consistently report feeling more focused, energetic, and emotionally balanced. It also supports sexual health by improving stamina and hormonal function in both men and women. 13. Helps protect against cancer. One of the most powerful benefits of chia is its high antioxidant content, which protects your cells from oxidative stress. Its combination of fiber, omega-3s, and plant compounds helps reduce inflammation and may slow down the growth of abnormal cells. While chia isn't a cure, including it in your nightly routine can support your body's natural defenses and promote long-term health. How to take chia at night. Always take hydrated chia, since dry seeds can absorb liquid from your stomach and cause discomfort. Option 1. Chia water mix. 1 tablespoon of chia in a glass of water. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes, then drink before bed. Option 2. Chia pudding. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with milk or yogurt. Add a little honey or cinnamon and refrigerate for an hour. Option 3. Chia tea. Add a teaspoon to warm chamomile or lemon water. Let it soak and drink it slowly before sleep. For flavor and extra nutrients, you can add lemon, honey, or a bit of cinnamon. All great for relaxation. Recommended amount. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons, 10-30 grams daily. Avoid going over that, since chia is rich in fiber and could cause bloating if overused. And always remember to drink enough water. Hydration is key. Now you know why chia seeds are one of the most powerful nighttime superfoods in the world. They help you sleep better, burn fat, regulate your blood sugar, protect your heart, and renew your body from the inside out, all while you rest peacefully. It's amazing how something so small can make such a big difference. Tell me in the comments, do you take chia at night? What changes have you noticed in your body or your sleep? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our natural health tips. Good night, and take care of your body while you dream.